Hi, my name is Tony and I'm going to show you how to make my favorite vegan lemon buttercream frosting from plantbasedonabudget.com. We're starting off with some vegan butter. I'm using the Earth Balance vegan buttery sticks. I got these from Walmart, but I know that they're very accessible, so check your local grocery store. I'm sure they're likely to have them. And I like to buy the sticks for easy measurement. We're starting with 1 cup, so you need 2 of these and they should be at room temperature. I already have mine at room temperature. This is 2 sticks and I'm just gonna pour this into a big bowl. If you have a stand mixer, you can use that. I'm using a big bowl and a handheld electric mixer. Then I'm gonna use about 3.5 cups of powdered sugar, also known as confectioner's powdered sugar or confectioner's sugar. But first I'm gonna start using my electric mixer to soften it in and then slowly pour in the confectioner's sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, pour a little in, mix it, add some more, and continue until all of the powdered sugar is mixed in. You'll see that it does not look creamy just yet, but just a moment because we're gonna add in some more liquids that will bring everything together. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I have a small lemon, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. Then I'm gonna zest the peel so we can get that extra lemony taste. Make sure you watch your fingers. I feel like I'm saying that in every video, whether we're using a mandolin or a zester or even a knife. I'm very aware how quickly it is to get injured in the kitchen. For our lemon zest, we'll only need about 2 teaspoons. And for me, that's gonna be the whole lemon. It smells really delicious. If you watched the accompanying video for the lemon cake, I talk about how if you have your peel and you've already squeezed the lemon juice and you've already zested the lemon skin, you can also throw it in your garbage disposal and turn it on, and it smells really good. It makes it smell fresh in your sink in a natural way. I'm curious what you do, if anything, with the remaining parts of your lemon once it's all used up. And once I'm done using the lemon zester, I'm taking a spoon and I'm taking all of that lemon that I just zested and making sure that it ends up in my bowl and not in the sink. And then we're gonna mix it again, and now it's gonna be until creamy. And here it is. It looks so good. You can tell that it's really stiff. I'm waiting for the lemon cake to be done and then I'll frost it to share, but it is really beautiful. And then especially if you let it sit in the refrigerator for just a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes, it does become even more structured and easier to pipe if you wanted to use a piping bag for cupcakes or for your cake. All right, my cake is done. If you want to double it and make it 2 layers, that is totally fine. I'm just going to flip it over like that and keep it as 1 layer. I've had my lemon buttercream in the refrigerator solidifying just a little bit, and now I'm going to put it on my lemon cake. Start by grabbing a dollop of it, and please don't judge me for how poorly I might make this look. As I've told you before, I am the furthest away from an artist. I have some friends who are cake artists and they're so talented and they're great bakers. They understand the chemistry of everything to a T and they make everything look fantastic. That's not me. And I just want it to be easy, taste good, and hopefully have my guests love it. It's easier for me to use this knife than it was a spatula, so I changed it up a little bit. If I were layering this cake, I would just stack another layer on it. You can even it out if you want, and then stick the other layer on it and then use the rest of the frosting to layer the top side. And if you want, you can also frost the sides of it, which I think I'll do. Why not? I love frosting. It'll be a light frosting. And again, please don't judge me. I promise it's gonna taste really good. I know I should invest in one of those cake wheels where you put it on and you spin it and all of that goodness. Okay. I feel pretty good about my cake. I do say so myself. I'll show a photo to my friends who are the cake artists and we'll see what they say. They might laugh. Here it is. It looks so good to me. I hope it looks good to you too. It's one of the most popular recipes on Food Sharing Vegan and I hope you love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. It looks so good. Sorta looks like Mrs. Pac-Man. Thank you so much for watching. I put the printable recipe down below if you want to give it a try. And if you do, please let me know how it goes. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.